Namaskar, I am Shekhar. In this video, I am going to teach you all a small composition, simple one, using all the Shuddha Swaras. In the previous lesson, I have taught you the pantas. If you have practiced them very well, then it will be easy for you people to play this composition. I will now explain the composition and also the notation grid. Now you can see this is called rhythm grid. It helps us to read the notations. You can see here we have 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes are there. Each box is 1 beat, and if there is one note, it is played in first speed. You can see here 2 notes in a box. It is played in, that means it should be played in second speed. And you can see here a dash here, that means extending this note for 1 beat. And there are dots below the notes. Here you can see. That means this note belongs to the lower octave. The lower octave notes are denoted in this way. And if the note has dot above the notes, that is called higher octave notes. So now let's read this notation with the music. This is how the notations are read exactly, and we should concentrate on the speed. If this speed is like exactly following the same speed, like a clock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. According to that, we have to read. According to this beat, we have to read the notes, how it is written in the box. Then it sounds musical. If you are not following this beat, then it will not sound musical. In the upcoming videos, I will be teaching you more interesting compositions and practices. If you have any queries regarding the lessons, please do comment in the comment section. Again, thank you so much for watching me and supporting me. Namaskar.